winner is not someone who never fails, but it's someone that never quits. And that's the quote of the day. Yeah.
It's up to you, man. You can do what you want.
Bro, you're the editor, man. You gotta tell me. You're the producer, bro. You're the producer,
go
the
for it.
director, the editor, the videographer, the media man, bro. I'm just the guy f***ing talking shit, innit?
And that's the quote of the day. So what's the plan today? What are we doing?
Today we're on the way to a company down in Dartford to pick up maybe the sickest vehicle I've picked up. And I'll say vehicle because it's not a bike. I'm pretty sure you can see from the title by now what we're picking up. But this car belongs to a very, very, very special customer of mine's, Mr. WillNE from YouTube, for those who know. You may have seen this car in one of his recent videos. If not, go check it out. But yeah, so we're on the way to go pick that bad boy up, and we're gonna get it back to their secret location. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it. We like to. Yeah, that's original, isn't it? Yeah.
So we finally made it down to Dartford after we tackled the M25, and we are here to collect the world's smallest car. Look at it. This is the P50 50cc engine, and what else can I say? Just have a look. Yo, this thing is mad. It's super clean, so I'm not gonna put my feet in there and dirty it all up, but this thing is mad. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Would you buy this car? I would definitely this. Mad, innit? Can lift weights with that. This is pretty much lighter than any bike that I've ever picked up, which is awesome.
Beautiful.
So what happened?
So we're back here. So this car was actually meant to go in their office. So we unloaded the car, got into the office, broke into one of the doors. Well, we didn't do it, but some builders did. Tried to get this in the lift. Guess what? It didn't fit. So not an issue at all. RCL comes to the rescue. So luckily, we're gonna get it stored for tonight, and then tomorrow we're gonna go again. So we're just gonna strap her up. We're gonna take her over to my contact with the car storage. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. It's round 2. Let's go.